Hello friends, in this tutorial we will discuss how to insert table and table property window and table format window in a Dreamweaver. First of all, go in create new and select HTML. Then select design view. Then go in insert and select table, and its shortcut key is Ctrl plus Alt plus T. Here table window is open. Row. In a row text box, enter a number of row you want to insert in the table. Column. In a column text box, enter a number of columns you want to insert in the table. Table width. Enter a width measurement in the table width text box. Then select a measurement from drop down list to the right. Here pixels and percentage are given. Border thickness. Enter the thickness you want for the width of a border surrounding the cells and outside the table. If you want to see no table formatting, type 0 in the border thickness text box. Shell padding. Enter a number into the shell padding text box. If you want to create a margin around all content inside cells. Shell spacing. Enter a number in shell spacing text box if you want to push shells apart. Header. Select type of header you want to include in your table. Accessibility. Add a caption that relevant to your table in a caption text box. In the summary area, include several lines of text box to provide more information about purpose of table. Then click on OK. So table is created. Table format window. Once a property of table have been set, you can also adjust the properties of individual cells within the table by clicking inside cells. You can change the alignment of the content horizontally and vertically. You can change the width and the height of the cell. Use wrap. You can insert header. You can insert background image for single cell. You can change background color for single cell. You can change border color of a cell. You can change border color of a single cell. Thank you for watching this tutorial.